She walks like a lady with a tender charms.
Here's an easy way to play Walks Like a Lady by Journey. A special thank you for the request. This is a really fun song by Journey. There are only 2 parts to learn, but it's a great chance for you to practice your rhythm. So let's get into the first part and I'll show you what I mean. In the left hand, there are 3 main notes we're going to play. We've got C here, A, and B flat. And you'll notice I like to use thumb, middle finger, and then second note there like that. Now in terms of the rhythm that I mentioned, we're going to start off by going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, C, 2, 3, 4, A, B flat. Now once you're comfortable with doing that, we're going to add in a separate note in between, like a ghost note. We're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. If you need to practice that a little slower, then do so. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Alright, let's add in some right hand. So from there, when you play the C, we've got thumb, middle finger, pinky in the right hand to make it a C major chord. Then an F over A, I like to use thumb, second finger, third finger. Sometimes I use my ring finger on top. Then after that, a B flat major chord. Thumb, middle finger and pinky, or thumb, second finger and ring finger, okay? So C, F over A, B flat. Now let's add in the rhythm from the left hand. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2. And you want to get this confidently as well. Practice until you can do this. There's one more level I'm going to add in the right hand. It goes like this. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. On the 2 and the 4. 1, 2. One last thing I like to do, if you have a piano that allows you to go all the way down here, I like to play the bass way down there because it's the bass guitar that really drives the song. Okay, let's move on to the second part. We're going to keep that same feel that we learned in the left hand, but we're going to start with an F major chord like this. Thumb, second finger, middle finger, or you can use ring finger on top if you want instead. But I like to use my middle finger on top so that I can jump up to this A minor chord and use thumb, middle finger, pinky for that. And then lastly, we'll go to a C major chord like we learnt in the first section. Do those chords 2 more times. So F major, A minor, C major. One more time through those chords. F major, A minor, C major. And then I'm going to set you free. We go to a B flat, F again, into that C, and then finally finish on that B flat, set you free. Now the rhythm for that, I'm going to take the rhythm that we did in the last part and go, I told you once, I told you twice, but you never listened my advice. A minor, C, and then B flat, F, C. Hold the B flat, and I like to build on that B flat in the right hand. And from there you can move on to the next section. So that's how the 2 parts go. If you can practice them, especially with the rhythms, then you can play the whole song. Remember, this is a fun jam, so make sure you have fun while you're playing it yourself. On that note, I'm going to have a jam through it myself, see how we go.
She walks like a lady with a tender charms. She moves like a lady when I'm in her arms. She loves like a lady, loving all night long. She cries like a baby and she's done something wrong. I told you once, I told you twice, but you never listen to my advice. I catch you walking with that boy again. I'm gonna set you free. Oh, I'm gonna set you free.